Hello guys! Magluluto tayo ng mahang. Wala po akong coconut milk. So ang gamitin ko po is fresh milk and condensed milk. Kasi I have no coconut milk. Nakalimutan ko po guys bumili ng coconut milk. So, anuhin muna natin itong cornstarch. 1/2 cup cornstarch. Hindi po ako guys na maggawa ng marami kasi marami po kaming pagkain. Baka hindi namin maubos. Ayan, half cup of cornstarch lang po ang ating gagawin. And then, ang dami kong cornstarch pala. Kala ko wala akong cornstarch. So, we're gonna whisk. Tunawin natin guys, before natin initin kasi madali po itong magbuo. So we're gonna add fresh milk.
Fresh milk to the ham?
No. This is gonna be so rich. I need a milk too. I'm cooking something. And I am gonna add a little bit of water and sugar pala. Sugar natin pala. So, see how much guys I'm just gonna try it how sweet is it. This is half cup. I don't want very sweet. So we're gonna try. So, my toppings is what is it called? Peanuts instead of corn. Ubusin na natin. Mamaya magluluto din ako ng perfect. So, iinit na natin. So, yun na guys. Sindihan na natin yung apoy. But, kailangan natin to i-mix. Kaya mag-ano ito. Madali po ito magbuo. Lagyan ko pala siya guys ng condense. Konti. Guys, nilagyan ko po siya ng condense. Konti lang to. Dapat kasi condense yung nilalagay ko instead of sugar. Pero nakalimutan ko. Suka po ang nilagay ko. So yun guys, malapit na siya. Sige lang, halo pa more. Guys, ayun na, creamy na siya. Wow, masarap siguro to. Lagyan natin ng coconut. Peanuts, then toppings is peanuts. You can do corn, but I want mine is peanuts. Look at how creamy is it. Look. You can put Nestle cream on the maha, special maha, but I don't like that taste. Last 2 years ago, I made with what is it called? Nestle cream, but I don't like that taste. It's so rich. Nakakaumay. Look at that, guys. How thick, how creamy my maha blanca. Look at that. Look at that, how creamy is it? Uy! Ay nako, nag-give up yung aking cellphone. Mabigat kasi yung cellphone ko. Yan. So yan na guys, luto na yung ating maha blanca. Creamy maha blanca. So, ilalagay na natin dito, then palalamigin po natin, then pag lumamig na siya, ilalagay natin sa refrigerator. Kunti lang po ang ginawa ko guys kasi ako lang naman ang kakain. At saka marami akong lulutuin. Ang sarap guys, creamy. It's so creamy. Look at that. Then we're gonna toppings and peanuts. So So, ayun lang po guys. Thank you so much for watching. Ang sarap.